I think the concept of religion as a whole is executed better through Buddhism because I think it's more of a philosophy than a practice. For some reason, I cannot escape the overarching thought that it's my due diligence to echo that the Catholic Church is almost a corporation masquerading in wealth and propagating barriers in a lot of their various sects. SECTS. I think that culture can intertwine into the concept of racism, and I love religion for what it means to people, but I prefer the philosophical side of it less than the rules sometimes associated with the certain dogmas and stuff.